Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joe. Today is March the 17th. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Even though it's St. Patty's, we were hoping for a green day, but it doesn't look like it. Currently, we are super red, and we might be seeing some more red as the day progresses. We have a few important things happening today, and you might as well just hang on to hear what's coming up so that you don't make bad decision while investing today, which is a very important day in the stock market, in my opinion. So let's go over my portfolio real quick in the journey to 250k. Currently at 143,778, down by about 1.75%, which is about 2,500 for the day. For the week, I'm down by about 2.63%, which is about 3,800. For the month, down by about 13%, which is about 21,900. 3 months up by about 5.62%, which is about 7,600. And for the year, we're still up by about 65%, which is about 56,800. So when I started this channel, I wanted to be very transparent. I haven't added any funds in my account the last couple of weeks yet. I was hoping to add probably towards the end of the month. So right now I'm just using the funds and cycling through any stocks that I was going to sell, like Li Auto, which I used the money to buy into more stocks, mostly just a few penny stocks, just because it wasn't a lot of money. It was less than $1,000. But other than that, that's kind of my position. Please remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't. If you have subscribed, please turn the notification bell on so that you know when we drop a video. So far, we really appreciate the support you guys have shown. It's just amazing to see how the channel is growing, and folks are gaining more knowledge as I show my portfolio as well as my plays, and also provide some updates on a few things here and there in the stock market. So thank you so much. Just comment down below and let me know what you think about the channel. I'll be talking about penny stock that we touched base on in January. It really did see a big uptick today, and I'll say why that's the case. A few things to notice today. We have Jerome Powell, the Fed chair, providing an update on the economy, so that might swing the market either direction. So be very careful when trading today. This is not financial advice, just for entertainment purposes only. Always do your own due diligence when investing in the stock market. But we know that the 10-year treasury bond is about 1.6%, which is pretty high, and that also makes the stock market get some red, just because people are kind of moving from one sector to the other and kind of selling off and moving to the bonds. But let's talk about this penny stock. Penny stock in question is TNXP, Tonix Pharmaceuticals, currently at 148, and we have it at 16% for the day. For the week, it's up by about 28%. For the month, it's down by about 20%. 3 months up by about 148%. For the year, 155%. So currently I have 500 shares, average cost of 0.9691. We're up by about 53% since we bought this. So hopefully you're having some greens on your end when we touch base on this stock. And also, if you added in the dips, I think you should be able to get some money off the table. For me, it's a long-term play, even though it's a penny stock, so I'm not touching anything. I'm not putting a stop loss. But if on your end it's an easy money play, remember to put a trailing stop loss so that you can recoup your money and not take a loss, even though we're up. So you can see the stats. The volume is 86 million, which is pretty good. Market cap 443 million. It opened at 144. Highs was 159, lows of 133. You can see the 52-week high is about 2.46. If it retraces back to that high, that would be nice, and we can make some good profit. But just make sure that you're aware that it may tank after the news. Everybody will be selling off and taking profit, so it will tank definitely. I'm not worried, like I mentioned, just because for me it's a long-term play, even though it's a penny stock. I usually don't like getting into penny stock and getting out very soon, just because I feel like they're super cheap, and I can leave them to just grow over time. So let's kind of touch base on what's happening with this stock and why it's up. I know we have a few penny stock. ISR is up. Most of our plays are actually up. So if you've been following, you might have gotten some really good greens today, mostly about 10% on most plays. So why is the stock up? So let's go to the news, and you can see they put out a press release. Tonix Pharmaceuticals reports positive C19 vaccine efficacy results in non-human primates vaccinated with TNX-1800 and challenged with live SARS-CoV-2. So Tonix Pharmaceutical Holdings Corporation, a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company, today announced preliminary results following vaccination of non-human primates with TNX-1800 modified horsepox virus live vaccine, live attenuated C19 vaccine candidate engineered to express the CoV2 spike protein, immunogenicity, and protective efficacy of single dose TNX-1800 were assessed at 2 dose levels. At day 41 after the vaccination, animals were challenged with live CoV2 through intranasal and intratracheal routes. Protection was assessed at day 47, 6 days after challenge. The research is part of an ongoing collaboration between Southern Research, the University of Alberta, and Tonix. So that's kind of the news. What made the stock go up by almost 18% for the day. A reminder, just make sure that you take in some profits if you're a short-term holder for this, so that you just don't get burned out, because it will drop down. And if you're planning to get into the play, wait for it to cool off, or probably even the same magnitude of growth today. It should tank by the same measure, and then you can start building your position. Long term, I think this is like a $4 play. So that's why I'm kind of holding it for a minute, and I think after maybe a year, I might plan to sell it for some profit. But if I need some cash very soon, I might also consider selling a piece of it when it goes higher. But thanks so much for watching our video. Be green, be safe. Let me know if you have this stock in your portfolio or when you got into the play, and let me know what you think about our penny stock picks. Thank you so much. Bye. See you in the next one.